Hello and welcome to the Real Estate Regroup Show. I am your host, LJ Walker. So, I'm pretty sure many of you have heard that President Trump is planned on demolishing the east wing of the White House in order to build a new ballroom. What I've been seeing is a lot of people are like, hey, is that legal? He's out of control. He's out of hand. Hey, listen, even though it's a historical building, listen, the White House is actually exempt from the National Historic Preservation Act. So is the U.S. Capitol, and so is the U.S. Supreme Court. Thereby, President Trump actually does have the right, and any other president for that matter, they have the right to make any renovations that they want, to make any upgrades that they want, and yes, to even demolish what's already there, which is what he plans on doing to build something else. Okay. So there are, almost always some type of exceptions to the rule, but no, he does not need to get approval from anybody. He does not have to go to any review board because, again, it is exempt from the National Historic Preservation Act. All right. He doesn't need to go to the National Park Service or anything, or consult with the public or anything of that nature. He has the right to do that. And since the White House, or since our government rather, is more Republican than Democrat at this particular point in time, even if it wasn't protected under that act, you know that President Trump is going to look for loopholes. He said it in the book that he had somebody else write, by the way, but he said it in actually more than one book that I've read from him, that was something that he does, and that's what he hires people to do, is look for loopholes. And if there's no loophole, since he's president and since he has such backing in the White House by so many Republicans, guess what? They would have made it a law, because Congress is the one that actually makes the law, not the president, even though it doesn't seem as though Trump always knows that. He has to be reminded from time to time. But anyway, I digress. It is what it is, and that's what's happening right now. And there's really little to anything that can be stopped. I did hear, or it has been said, that there may be some people who may want to try and sue him or what have you. Uh, mm, Good luck with that, is all I got to say. I'm not putting you down. I'm not lifting you up. I'm just saying it is what it is. Okay, guys. So, yes, that's all I have for you. Please feel free to share this amongst your friends. Remember, each one, reach one, teach one. Bye for now. Until next time, have a good night.